Hello everyone and welcome back to second part of fixing my drift scooter. So today I'm going to show you how you can remove this throttle from this drift scooter. All you're going to need is something like these are called as Allen key. Okay, so you have to find the Allen key which is of number 2.5, and if you will look carefully it at your scooter, either side of it you will find a hole like this. Okay, these are the Allen key points. So I will put my Allen key in there and do it anti-clockwise. Okay, see, now it is loosen up. Okay, so as you can see it is moving. I will simply pull it out. What you will notice that this wiring is also going inside, so I'm going to remove this panel. I will quickly grab my drill. Okay, there is one screw on the top. Okay, I think the screw is not of star type. Let me connect the new. Okay, as you can see these are star type screws only. My bad. Okay, and just like that this panel should be out. Okay, one portion is still connected. Okay, all set. Okay, now that I have taken it out, I have to find the connection which is deep inside. Okay, let me pry it out. Okay, offline. When I tried to pull this cable out, as I mentioned earlier, it was not coming. So I thought it is going to be a small job, but unfortunately, as you can see, I have to disassemble the entire body of this drift scooter, and then only I can access this particular cable. You can see I am putting more light on it so you can see clearly. This one small pin, in my case it was stuck behind this transformer and there was no way for me to pull it out. Somehow after opening everything from it, now I can access it. So now let's quickly try to replace it with the new one. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I will. Okay, you just have to press it and pull it out. Okay, so this one is disconnected. Now let me open the new handlebar. Okay, I'm not leaving the cable because everything is falling apart here. Okay, so this is a new cable. As you can see, this is exactly same as the one which I had earlier. Okay, so I mentioned last time that I ordered two and somehow I found the exact similar model, so I ordered this one. Let me connect this cable. Okay, we have the exact same pin. Okay, let me try to connect it. Okay, I see we have 5 pins. Yes, we have 5 pins. Let me try to push it in. Yeah, it did a click and it is locked. So now what I am going to do, I am going to give it a try. I am just going to start it and check whether it is working or not. Okay.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, it works. Let's twist the handle. Okay, yes, it is moving. Okay, actually I cannot test it for now, guys, because everything will fall apart. All of this is not connected with any screw. Let me quickly make a video that how we can assemble it back. Thank you. disconnecting the cable so I can see it very clearly. You can see it has become a mess. Okay guys, so somehow I have managed to put it back. Okay, it is not yet connected completely. I will show you the remaining part. Okay, but as you have seen in the last video, I have taken this out completely. For now I have connected these two temporary screws to hold it in place. You know, everything is falling apart. Instead of becoming a simple fix, it became into complete disassembly. Okay, let's connect the lower part first. Okay, so the lower part is, okay, my bad, yeah, this one will be above, this one will go inside like this. So okay, yeah, everything is not in place. Okay, so yeah, from this side you can see it is correct, but from the other side I can see there is something blocking it. Okay, yeah, okay, my screw itself is blocking it, sorry. So I have a screw on the other side. This screw is harassing me from disassembly itself. Okay, let me take it out completely. I will take it out. I am so fed up. Yeah, much better. Now both the sides are properly connected, so I will start. Okay, done. Done. Okay. I don't know why. Okay. Yeah. This one is also done. Okay. Where is the fourth screw? Let me check it. Okay. It is not inside. Okay. Yeah. Found it. Okay. So all the screws, no, not all screws. Okay, I still have two more to connect. One goes here. The worst part is everything is very low quality plastic. If I will not do it carefully, it will tear something else, which I don't want. So I'm being very careful. Okay, so this one is not going in. I have to check why. Okay, leave it. First let us connect this part. It is jumping in every now and then and disturbing me. Okay. Okay. Okay, this one is done. Okay, let's see what is wrong. Okay, I got it in place for now. Okay. Okay, something is wrong here. Okay, let's connect the other side, then I will check this. Okay, this side is connected. I think something is stuck on the other side. Okay, let's try like this. Okay, no, bad angle. Okay, it's all done now. Okay, let's connect the battery cover. Okay, now the time is to do some testing. Okay, I have not connected
The
the handle.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So as I mentioned earlier, in different models you will find this, the Allen key lock at different places. Here in this model I found it on this side. Okay, done.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Now let's check the speed. All done. Thank you.